everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in the past couple of videos we have covered almost 17 different videos for QlikView. So this will be the 18th one where we are going to talk more about set expression. So a lot of the people get confused how to write set expression. So we will take a basic example and we can use set expression in the different charts also. So that if we get time we can just talk more over that also. So let's directly jump into the QlikView. So here, as you can see, I have a blank QlikView open. So what you can do is just let's take an example data. So as you know, press Control E to open your edit script. Once you open it, just a good convention will be here to create a new tab for the data section. So we'll just write demo data and let's load our table data. So if you remember from the last couple of videos, I have used the sales data thing, so I will be using the same just for demonstration purpose. Let's click finish, and just for simplicity, what I can do is here unit cost I'm taking as a cost, let it be the unit cost as for revenue I can take as revenue revenue is done, as cost is done, and as profit. So we have just renamed everything, almost everything. So whatever we needed here, the basic thing. So what I will do, just save it and reload it. So now you can see that we have all this data present here. So what I can do is create a new sheet object and take a list box, and in list box I can do this order priority, and let's see. So what if I want to take sum of revenue where the order priority is C. So C might be critical, high, low, medium. So I want to see only the revenue for whole revenue, sum of whole revenue, where only the order priority is C. Similarly for H, L, M, N. So what we can do is we can go to new sheet objects, just go to test object. So text object, we can just write it here. So we just want the sum of revenue. So now you can see that we have this revenue column, we are taking the sum. So now the set expression come into action. Now you can see that when we take sum, so there is something called num. So what you can do is, if you want the number to be in particular format, so it's num of that value, and you can just write in percentage also. So we can have a look on this after when we are done with this. So here, after when you write sum, on the curly bracket you have to write this set expression. So in the set expression you can mention what exactly you want. So I will put a bracket here, so curly brackets, and inside this curly bracket you have to open this angular bracket and close it here. Now you can see that we have everything there. In this we have to write the what kind of order priority you want. So we can just write order priority. Now you have to mention equals to, then again you have to put a curly bracket because it's a string object, and this string object consists of C. So we just want, and in the quotes we have to write this order priority should be C. So if I expand it, you can see that this expression is okay. You press OK and just OK. Now you can see that we have that. So this is a total revenue only for order priority. So we can do a similar thing, let's do for everything. This is for C. Let's create another sheet object where I'm just writing it this is for C. Let me minimize it a bit so that, yes, C, L, H, this will be L, and this one be M. Now this should be H. Let's rename this H, and similarly if we go directly here and put, instead of C, put H. Similarly, now you can come here, put L. Now you can see that all the revenues are coming, and it's only based on this order priority. So the last one we have left is medium. So okay, this is also done. So now I was talking about something called num. So in num what we can do is just go here in front of this. So just expand it so that you can see whether the expression is correct or not. So just write num, and in the bracket you can just mention, and in num has a format where you just have to write num and this comma and this expression. So just put a comma here, and how you want to show the data. So I just want to show my data like hash hash dot hash hash, and it should be in code. So now you can see that expression is okay. So what it shows, that I want to show my number in double format, like double floating number. So it's just the formatting part. Press OK. Now you can see that it's changed into .00. It's 43, it's 17, it's 72. So all of them are in floating number, and we have 2 decimal after the floating number. So that's how you can just manage how many floating numbers. If you want to present into like percentage, what you can just directly do this here is just hash hash, and if you put percentage sign here also and press OK, now you can see that it shows in percentage. So yeah, that's all about this num and sum function and set expression. So in set expression you can use anything, like almost. So, and one more thing here is, so if you write some set expressions, there is a way when you write some set expression, and if you doesn't mention anything, like just you put equals to after that, so it ignores that field. So if I go here, let's take a new sheet object, go to text object, and let's take the sum of I just want to I don't want to take order priority. So what I will do is I will take equals to sum of, just write in the curly bracket, I will just write order priority equals to. If I just write like this and just leave it like this, I don't do anything, so it will be new. So it shows like we have an error here. So okay, I didn't put anything here. Yeah, now you can see that I just wrote order priority equals to. So if you write like this, it means that you want to take the sum of all the revenues, but you want to ignore this field. So it's called modifier ignore. So it is ignoring this order field. If I press OK and OK, so it will show me the overall sales, and it will ignore this order priority thing. If you want to ignore some fields, like if you want to take write some week to date figures, month to date figures, you have to just, in the month to date figure you have to ignore all the weeks there. So in the upcoming videos I can show you how you can create month to date figure and week to date figure. So let's leave that part there itself. And you can use such things, so like CHLM, so you can use such things in the graph also. You can just go to chart properties, and let's take a demo graph, and here let's take a combo chart. Press next. I want to take what should I take, region, yeah, and I want to take the sum of, what I will do is I will just use the same command like I have used there. So for now I will just put revenue, okay, finish. So I will just go here, go to properties, I will just copy this whole thing till revenue, and okay, come back here, let's go to expression tab. This one is for C, so I will just write sum of order priority where is C, and I will add one more called H. Sorry, I will write all this thing, paste it again, just write H here and rename it to H. I want to see both on there as a bar graph, no line graph. So now you can see if I press apply, and now, so see, now we have something called, so guess in dimension we didn't added anything, okay, just wanted add region. So now you can see, okay, just wait a second. What I will do, I will go to presentation tab, sorry, axis tab, and this axis I will just tilt this axis a little bit so that we can have a good view. Yeah, now you can see that only C and H is visible here. So all the different regions are there, and all the according to the order priority we have their revenues. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, give a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.